guys, welcome back. Digital Grind. Today we are taking a look at another pair of Galaxy Buds Plus clones. These I picked up from DHGate. I wanted to try another website instead of AliExpress because of the extended shipping times that we have today because of the crazy pandemic and what's going on in the world. This, however, took 2 months to get here, so it actually took longer than what I was hoping for. But let's check it out. The blue colorway does come in black and white as well. I paid 30 bucks. We're gonna jump right in. We're gonna take a look at the box. Now, when I first got these, I expected big things because the box is a one-to-one of the original, and on the back we even get that Samsung sticker on here that seals the box so you know it's legit. So if you're not sure what a clone looks like, be careful because the clone packaging looks exactly like the real deal right now. So we'll put this aside. In here, of course, we get the user's manual. We're not going to take a look at that. And inside of here, we do get some extra silicone sleeves and some extra silicone tips, 3 sizes of each. And we also get the USB Type-C to charge. We're going to throw all this stuff aside. Now, I am happy that the silicone tips and the silicone sleeves are the same color, the light blue color, as the actual buds. And if we take a look at the case, you do see the Samsung branding up here on the top, and it is the same color blue as the originals. The port on the back to charge, the regular text on the bottom, and your LED light here on the front. If we open it up, you can see we do have your LED light here and the buds themselves. Now these do support wireless charging. Battery life on here, you get about 4.5 hours. I did get about 4 hours with no problem, and I had some juice left, and I was listening to these at about 80% volume. Bluetooth 5.0, these do support touch controls that include everything except the volume. You cannot control the volume from here. Now, I did try and connect these to the Wearables app. Unfortunately, they don't connect to the Wearables app, so you're not going to get that added feature if you are going the clone route. Now, if we take the buds out, you can see how close they are to the originals. They are pretty much an exact copy in size and weight to the originals. Now, if you want to connect these, and this is going to work the same on iOS and Android, it's already playing music, you can hear that. So we're going to pause that really quick. So to connect them, you go into Bluetooth, and you can see here Galaxy Buds Plus, it is already connected, but you would do this on iOS as well. You would just go into your Bluetooth settings, connect it that way. Now on the Note 10, you do not get that pop-up window like you do on the originals. But if we go into settings here, you can see at the bottom, you can go in and you can rename these if you want. And again, if we try and get into the Wearables app, disconnected from earbuds, we try and connect, and it does not recognize these buds at all. So that's a little bit unfortunate. Now, we're going to get into all the testing. We're going to play some music, and we'll test these out. Sound quality on these things, it's just okay. The bass is lacking, not punchy at all. There's no deep bass on here. It's kind of in the background too. The highs and the mids are what stand out. It's not muffled, it sounds clear. The volume could be about 5 to 10% louder. And unfortunately, I'm just not a fan of how these sound. They're good for listening to content, YouTube videos, movies on Netflix or something. But if you want to get engulfed into that music, into that beat, these are not going to give you that. You're not going to be able to feel it. So next we are going to check out the latency and see if there's any delay between audio and video. So there is some slight delay on here. It's not that bad. It's not terrible. I don't think I would have a problem listening to content, watching YouTube videos on here or movies, but it is there. It is noticeable, and it does not correct itself if you fast forward and try and catch it up. So you will notice some delay on here. Now I'm on the Note 10 Plus. And, you know, usually on iOS devices and cheap earbuds, you do find some delay. But most of the time on those same earbuds, it's fine on Android. This isn't the case. There is some delay here. Now we're going to go and we're going to do a mic test. You guys can let me know how the mic sounds. What up, guys? This is the mic test, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Another clone, this time from DHGate. I paid 30 bucks. I wanted to see if I can get better shipping times, maybe better quality when it comes to the clones. Let me know how they sound. Let me know how the mic sounds. Next, we're going to talk about the touch controls. Now, touch controls do work very well on here, but again, you cannot control the volume. So one tap on either bud will control play and pause, answer and end a phone call. 2 taps will go to the next track and go back to the previous track. And if you touch and hold, it's going to bring up your voice assistant. And they work very well. They're very sensitive. You don't have to tap too hard on the earbuds to get the touch controls to work. So look, another clone, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, the blue colorway. There's some cool things. It's more of the aesthetic part, right? They look legit. The packaging looks legit. The earbuds look legit. But once you get into it, the sound quality is not very good. There is some delay when you're watching content. So overall, I can't recommend these, especially at the $30 price point. If these things were like 10 bucks to 15 bucks, maybe they would be worth it, but not very good. Again, wireless charging. So the outside, right, the charging and the look of these, they look really good. Other than that, they're just not that good. So I'm not going to recommend them, guys. I'm not even going to drop a link for you guys. But DHGate, the Galaxy Buds Plus, don't waste your time. And again, crazy shipping time still, but it is what it is. That's it for the video, guys. I'll be back soon. Digital Grind, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back soon. Peace.